We have a super fast video today on how to disable the backup beeper. If every time you turn on your cart and put it into reverse, you hear this annoying beep sound and you want it to stop, that's okay. You can turn it off. All you have to do is unplug what they call here on the wiring diagram, the Pedestrian Sound Generator. You'll see a 4-pin harness, a nice waterproof looking one, and right attached to it is also a single extra lead with a blue wire. So we're gonna need to undo this and undo that. The Pedestrian Sound Generator on the 2+2 is located right here. It's this big black plastic box. This is the speaker. So on the 2+2, it's located next to the controller, between the back seats right there. So this is the box that you are looking for. And you're gonna follow along the back of it. Coming out of it is a wire, and it should go to a harness that looks like that. So you see that 4 switches, and we're gonna just reach out and undo it. Make sure your cart is off while you fondle around back here. And then there's gonna be one more lead. So there's also this single blue wire that we are gonna undo. Okay, and so like that, we have undone the Pedestrian Sound Generator. Looks like this on the back of it. It is 4 wires. And this is coming out of the plastic box. So you could probably tape that up and zip tie it to the side. And now when you turn on your cart, you no longer have the reverse beeper. So the beeper is gone. You will still get your backup screen and everything works like that, but overall you have lost your reverse beeping. So do be safe out there. Try to remember that you're in reverse, but if you're really looking forward or for a way to disable it, that is how it's done. Hope that helps. Any other questions, let me know.